Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. I am Khawaja and you're watching my YouTube channel, Learn English with Mr. Khawaja. Here I help you speak English. I help you improve your English and you do it as you practice with me. It is lesson number 5 today, and today's lesson provides you with useful questions and answers for daily conversation. The first question is, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? And the answer is, I am looking at the whiteboard. I am looking at the blackboard. So, look at means to watch, to direct one's eyes towards some certain thing. For example, if I am looking at the clock, then it's not correct to say I am seeing clock. I am seeing clock is not correct. So if I am looking at the clock, I should say I am looking at the clock. I am looking at the whiteboard. So directing your eyes towards some certain thing, that is to look at. See is not correct for that, and even watch is not correct. And the second expression is to look for something. To look at and to look for, these are very different. To look at is to direct one's eyes towards something, and to look for means to search for something. So if someone asks you, what are you looking for? And the answer may be, I am looking for my pen that I put here 10 minutes ago. I am looking for my wallet that I lost this morning. So repeat after me, what are you looking at? I am looking at the blackboard. What are you looking at? I am looking at the clock. What are you looking at? I am looking at the whiteboard. And now repeat after me for the second one. What are you looking for? I am looking for my pen. What are you looking for? I am looking for my wallet that I lost this morning. And it is also used for jobs in everyday speech. What are you looking for? And the answer is, I'm looking for a job these days. I'm a jobless person, and I've been jobless for a long time. So the question is, what are you looking for? And the person says, I am looking for a job. What are you looking for? I am looking for a job. The next question is, these are useful questions that you can use in everyday speech, in daily conversation. The next is, will you find out for me the arrival time of the train? Will you find out the arrival time of the train for me, please? So, find out means to get information about. Find out is not to find something. To find out means to get information about something. So, will you find out the arrival time? Will you find out the arrival time of the train for me, please? And the answer, sure, I will. I'll get the information and I'll let you know in 5 minutes. The next question is, can you come to my office right now? Right now means immediately. So the question is, can you come to my office right now? And the answer is, sure I can. I'll be with you in 5 minutes. Repeat after me. Can you come to my office right now? Sure I will. Or sure I can. I'll be with you in 5 minutes. I'll be with you in 10 minutes. The next is to write in pencil or to write with pencil. Actually, the correct expression is to write in ink or to write in pencil, not to write with ink, not to write with pencil. So repeat after me. Do you need to write in pencil or in ink? This is correct expression. Do you need to write in ink or in pencil? Some people say pencil because pencil. From CIL, they think that perhaps they should say pencil. It is not pencil, it is pencil. The correct pronunciation is pencil. So the pronunciation is very important. If you say pencil, it means you don't know the exact pronunciation. So do you need to write in pencil or in ink? If you're using the word pen instead of ink, then for pen you can use with. Do you want to write with pen? Do you have a pen? Do you want to write with a pen? But if you are talking about ink or pencil, pencil refers to its lead, and ink itself is something that is used in pen. So whatever is used in pen or pencil, if we refer to that, then we need in, not with. So repeat after me for the correct expression. Do you need to write in pencil or in ink? Do you need to write in pencil or in ink? And the answer is, I need to write in pencil. There'll be computer marking, so I need to write in pencil. The next one is, the next question. To meet an accident means to have an accident. And the useful question that you're going to practice with me is, have you ever met an accident? Have you ever met an accident? Or did you ever meet an accident? When we use did, it is past indefinite, simple past. You need first form with did. But if you're using have or has, then you need past participle form, which is third form of the verb. So have you ever met or did you ever meet? Both are right. Repeat after me. Have you ever met an accident? Did you ever meet an accident? Yes, I met an accident 6 months ago. Have you ever met an accident? Or did you ever meet an accident? If it is past, then you say, yes, I did. This is short answer. If it is present perfect, you answer, yes, I have. So have you ever met an accident? The response is, yes, I have. And full answer in past indefinite, I met an accident 6 months ago. When you want to mention 6 months ago, then it's better if you put past indefinite. So short answer, present perfect, and full answer, past indefinite. Have you ever met an accident? Repeat after me. Have you ever met an accident? Yes, I have. I met an accident 6 months ago. Was it a major accident? Oh no, it was not a major accident. It was a minor accident. I hope this much is enough today. Take care of yourself. See you next time. Bye.